we're off to a great start. Reggae Love was absolutely fantastic today, Dougie. Outstanding. Super compliments from all over Florida. Without a doubt, great compliments on the reggae. And now we're into the house. And it's just fantastic. It's great to have you both in the room. As you know, 420, we've got the Big Tone Mix. To drop that little archives from the late 70s, early, the late disco crossover time. And then at 5 o'clock, we're bringing back today the one and the only Tiffany LeBlanc. And last week, people, if you were paying attention to the Super Bowl and you weren't on our show, you missed a great interview. And now it's last week, but we're bringing her back again today at 5 o'clock for all those who are busy with the Super Bowl parties. 5 p.m. today, Tiffany LeBlanc will be calling in from Boca Raton, South Florida, just above Miami. She is our superstar, our new superstar of 2020. As you could say, a little Lady Gaga, a little Madonna, a little Lauren Bacall, shake it up, kapow. You've got the one and the only Tiffany LeBlanc. So Dougie, get your irons on, get ready. This is your new favorite girl, as we know. Let's have a great another interview. Listen, there's a lot of things we need to talk about today. The new Code NYC magazine will be out at the end of March, but right now, Sunrise magazine is out. No one's talking about it. You're all in it. Dougie, you're in it. Queen, you're in it. 5, 6 full pages for Triple Vibes. Giant. We need to be talking about sunrise-88.com. You want to see the magazine? Go there or go to CodeNYCMag.com and you can click and see it online. But please, today's interview, Tiffany LeBlanc is part of the 28-page layout about the Catalina Hotel during a music conference, which Queen Regine wrote the whole story. Chili Palmer shot it with Quill, Chip Fresh, Christy Trump, and the one and the only Tiffany LeBlanc. So let's get into some more details today, guys. I'm going to get off the air again. This is called Vanity Pacific, called Dutch Love, House of Love, Church after Church after Church. And then from there, we're going to go into Deep Love after 6 p.m. and let Dougie just go wild. We love you. 5 p.m. people, get ready. 420 Big Paul. I love you. God bless you all. Amen.
Amen. Thank you. That was called Van Evans III. This is Queen Regina, and I'm on the scene. And we are up for the 420 mix, baby. Let's go.
Paul. DJ Big Paul.
Who's giving the orders? Who's running the show? Who's giving the orders? Who's running the show? Who's giving the orders? Who's running the show? I could turn emotion on and off. Who's giving the orders? Who's running the show? Stood right up in my face and love taught me. Who's giving the orders? Who's running the show? Thought I was big and bad, but love taught me who was the boss. Love taught me. I was so right. Thought I could turn emotion on and off. I was so sure. But love taught me who was the boss.
You are listening to sounds of New York classics.